Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mamiissy here. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this bridal makeup look with a touch of glitter magic. I've already prepped my skin with a lightweight moisturizer and primer to make sure everything blends smoothly, and I already did my brows off camera. Priming my eyelids with concealer before applying eyeshadow. This will create a smooth even base that will help the eyeshadow pop. Next on, I'm going in with some powder to set my eyelids. This will help the eyeshadow to blend better, reduce eyeshadow fallout, and avoid any creases. I'll be using this palette from Annie's Beauty for my transition colors. I'm blending in a warm brown shade onto my crease. I'm going in with a second light brown shade to blend just above the other brown. I'm going in with this gold shimmer color from my Avourcosmetics palette, and I'll just be tapping that onto my eyelid. For my glitter application, I'm going to go ahead to apply a bit of glitter glue onto my eyelids before I apply glitters. I'm going in with this black shade to apply it at the outer corner to add depth to my eyeshadow look. Going in with my Inglot gel liner to line my waterline. I'm going ahead with my liquid eyeliner to add definition and depth to my eyes. I'm going in with some concealer to clean and sharpen my eyeliner. I'm applying some brown eyeshadow under my eyes. I love how our eyes are already looking. I applied my lashes off camera. I'm going in with some mascara to blend my natural and false lashes seamlessly. I'm going ahead to use tape to pick up any glitter that must have fallen out during the application process. Moving on to skin, since this is a bridal makeup, we are going to be doing just one layer of our cream application. I'm going ahead to apply bronzer on my cheekbones, my forehead, the sides of my nose, and my jawline. Then I'm adding concealer under the eyes, on my forehead, above the lips, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin for brightness. Now we are going to start blending gently and in sections. I start with the bronzer first, then move to the highlighter. It's very important to take your time so that everything should melt together into one flawless radiant layer. I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend everything out smoothly. After blending out everything, I'm adding cream blush to the apple of my cheeks. And I'm going in with more concealer for a brighter under eye. And now we are going to go ahead to blend out our blush before we blend out our concealer. I'm going in with this small dense fluffy brush to blend out the concealer under my eye. We want to take our time when blending it out so that it should blend out smoothly. Next one, we are going to go ahead to set our under eye with some setting powder. Applying setting powder will help lock in your makeup so it doesn't crease throughout the day. I'm also going ahead to set the rest of the highlighted areas with some of the setting powder. I'm going in with more powder to bake my under eye for a long-lasting finish. I'm going ahead to apply some powder bronzer. I'm going in with some powder to set the rest of my face. Moving on to lips, I'm lining my lips with this matte brown lipstick from Avourcosmetics. And I'm applying this nude pink lipstick from Avourcosmetics to the middle part of my lips, and I'm using my fingers to blend it out. I'm going in with this nude gloss to add some shine. I'm going to go ahead to top it up with clear gloss because I love me a juicy bridal lip. I'm going in with this small fluffy brush to dust off excess powder. At this point, our bridal look has come together so perfect, flawless, and smooth. I love what I am seeing, and let me know in the comments if you're going to try this look out on your wedding day. I'm going on to add some highlighter to my cheekbones to just give me that shine. And I'm using mascara to comb my lower lashes. And now for the final step, I'm going ahead with a setting spray to lock everything in place. If you are a black girl who wants to glow on your wedding day, then I think this look is perfect for you. Can you see how beautiful we are looking? And here is our final look, an effortless one-layer bridal makeup look with gold glitter eyes. Quick, radiant, and wedding day ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bridal beauty magic. See you in my next video. Bye!